The driver of a Mark X motorcar was shot dead and a woman wounded on West Road in Mandeville on Sunday night. Relative named the deceased as Roisin Young, a resident of New Hall in Manchester. Preliminary reports are that about 9:50 p.m. Young was driving the vehicle with 3 passengers on board. The motorcar reportedly came under gunfire as it stopped on the West Road in the vicinity of Knowles Circle. 2 of the passengers reportedly ran from the car into bushes to escape the attack. Further reports are that Young and a female passenger sustained gunshot wounds before the vehicle crashed into a yard. Young and the injured female were taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead, while the woman was admitted for treatment. Young's grandmother said she saw him about 6 p.m. and gave him his Sunday dinner. A 23-year-old man was gunned down by a group of armed men in Galena, St. Mary, last Wednesday. He has been identified as Geraldo Dare of a Kingston address. The police report that the attack took place about 10:15 p.m. as Dare sat outside a bar on the Lighthouse Main Road. The gunmen approached and opened gunfire, hitting him several times. He ran to a nearby yard where he collapsed. Residents who heard the explosions called the police, who later arrived to see Dare face down on the ground with gunshot wounds to his upper body. He was taken to Portmore Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The police found 18 9mm spent casing, 6 expended bullets and 2 live rounds on the scene. According to the Observer Online sources, Dare had been on the police's radar. He was previously picked up in a section of St. Mary and sent back to Kingston, where he has been named as a person of interest. The Portmore Criminal Investigations Branch is investigating his murder. An American man lost his life in a motor vehicle crash in Trelawney on Monday morning. The deceased has been identified as 42-year-old Evans Hippolyte of a Florida address. Reports are that about 3:30 a.m. the driver of a Toyota Probox motor car was proceeding westward along Kerry Park Main Road when upon reaching the vicinity of Kerry Park Crossroad, it is alleged that the driver lost control of the vehicle while negotiating a corner and slammed into a bus stop. The American man who was a passenger in the vehicle sustained injuries and was taken to Falmouth Public General Hospital where he was pronounced dead. The Trelawney police are investigating.